Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are realistic t-shirt front and back. You can easily download from my website GFX. I will leave the link in the description and you can download from here. And here these are this will be another file. You need to extract this and you will get this folder. Here they are two PSD format. Just you can see here, this is LC, and here are instructions. You can read these instructions, and here these are just these are fake, the sprinkles on the shirt, and here is the artwork. You can drop your own image effect, change your colors, heather, black, different colors. You can customize it totally, and this is as front and here will be back. Here now this is another shirt and instruction, and here this is particularly dodging space rocks. The front back is both in one PSD format, you can see, and here is background effect, drop effect. You can see this is completely customizable. Silver, white. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.